Welcome back, nail queens. Today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to get the perfect ombre. Doing a scrub ombre is really easy and it gives you the perfect blend when working with two solid dip powders. The first thing I do is I take my base bond liquid and I apply a coat of it to my nail, and I dip my nail in the lightest dip powder that I'm going to be working with. It is very imperative that you do at least 2 coats in the lightest dip powder that you're working with. In today's video I'm doing a blue and a white ombre, so the white powder is the lightest color that I'm working with, so that's how I'm going to do my blend. It's very important that the light color goes down first. I cannot stress that enough. I also want to say that this technique is strictly for solid dip powders. It can't really be used with glitters. It just doesn't work out for some reason. So I've dipped my nail twice in the white dip powder. Now that my second layer is freshly applied, I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush. You can get them literally at any drugstore. It is a pretty fluffy brush but still dense. And I'm going to take the darker color of the two, dip my eyeshadow brush in the powder, and start dabbing it on where I want the blend to start occurring. So in this case, I'm working at my cuticle and working my way down towards the center of the nail. I want the most dense and darker portion of the powder to be at the cuticle area, and then I'll lighten up how much pressure I'm applying as I work my way towards the center of the nail. It's literally like applying eyeshadow to your eyelid, where you want it darker towards the crease or the outer edge, and then you start blending towards the inner side of, I'm not trying to do a makeup tutorial or anything, but it's literally like applying eyeshadow. So I'm scrubbing, and I keep inspecting to see if I like the scrub. So I'm just scrubbing some more, and literally all it took was 1 coat of this blue powder for me to get the perfect blend. If for some reason you don't get the perfect blend and you need to do another coat, dip your nail in clear dip powder and then scrub the darker color on. That is like my hack for doing another coat without covering it with the lighter color. So I actually want to dip my nails in clear powder to protect this while I file, shape, and buff. But again, like I said, if you somehow you didn't like your blend and you need to add more color to it, dip your nails in clear and then go in and scrub again. And as always, don't forget to activate, file, shape, and buff your nails. Apply any top coat that you desire. I'm going to keep my nails matte because I think that looks the best when you're doing some kind of ombre. And in case you don't like how your ombre turned out, matte, kind of like the matte top coat or no matte top coat, really makes the whole blend look more seamless than a glossy top coat does. So that is basically it for today's tutorial. I know it was short and sweet. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you think. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.